Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am going to discussing about logical sequence of words. I will continue the last session. See here, uh, here also few more questions are given. First one is arrange the following in a logical order. We have to arrange the given words in a logical order. Here the words are given as shoulder, wrist, elbow, palm and finger. Guys, if you observe carefully, all these are shoulder, wrist, elbow, palm and finger. All these are parts of hand. All these are parts of hand. So, we can write either from top to bottom or else bottom to top. See, for example, if you want to write top to bottom, we don't know whether it is top to bottom order or else bottom to top order. I will write both the cases. According to that, we have to arrange them. See here, if it is top to bottom, topmost part of hand is shoulder. So, first one is shoulder from top to bottom. After that, after shoulder, next one is elbow. Next one is elbow. Next one is elbow. After elbow, next one is wrist. Next one is wrist. Once wrist is also done, next one is palm. Next one is palm. And finally, finger. And finally, finger. Suppose the same thing, total 5 parts are given. If we want to write from bottom to top, that is just reciprocal, reverse. That is first bottom one is finger. So 5. First one is finger. If you want to write from bottom to top, next one is palm. Next one is palm. After that, wrist. After that, wrist. That is the third word. And next one is elbow. Elbow is the fourth word. Elbow is the fourth word. And finally, shoulder. And finally, shoulder. Now, we can check it out that in the given options 1, 3, 2, 4, 5 which is given or else 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Which option is given in the given options? See 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. This is there. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. That is not at all there. No option is starting with shoulder. So here he has taken from bottom to top. Bottom to top, that is finger, palm, wrist, elbow and finally shoulder. This is the order he has taken. Therefore our required answer is option D. Sometimes he will take bottom to top. Sometimes he will take top to bottom. Based on the options, we have to go either first one or else the second one, either top to bottom or else bottom to top. In the given options, bottom to top is given. That is the reason why option D is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. See here, arrange the following words in a logical sequence from small to big. Here directly given that we have to write the given words in small to big format. Here total 6 words are given. 6 words. One is Bangla, flat, cottage, house, palace and mansion. We have to arrange from small to big. Out of all 6 words, cottage is the smallest one. Cottage. Cottage is the smallest one. And this is over. This is first one. After that, after cottage, next smallest one is flat. Next smallest one is flat. Second one is flat. After that, house. After that, house. And the next one is Bangla, palace and mansion. Out of these 3, next one is Bangla. we have to arrange all them in a small to big manner. Bangla, right? After Bangla, palace and mansion, these two are left over. So many students are confused at these two. Some people will think that palace is smallest one. Some people will think that mansion is smallest one. But correct answer is mansion is smallest as comparing with palace. So next order must be mansion. Next order must be mansion. Once it is done, finally palace is the highest, biggest one. Palace is the biggest one. This is a small to big order. Small to big order. Here the order is 3, 2, 4, 1, 6, 5. 3, 2, 4, 1, 6, 5, which is option C. 3, 2, 4, 1, 6, 5. Guys, if you observe carefully, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, that is also there, but this is wrong one. Some people will think that mansion is biggest one as comparing with palace. That is not true. Palace is biggest one as comparing with mansion. Therefore, the order is 3, 2, 4, 1, 6, 5. Suppose, for example, if we are arranging them from biggest to smallest, it is just reverse. 5, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3. This is the order if we are arranging in biggest to smallest. 5, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3. Is it clear? But here he is asking about smallest to biggest. That is the reason why first cottage, flat, house, bungalow, mansion, and then palace. Option C is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. See here, arrange the following in a logical sequence of order. See here the words which are given as gold, iron, sand, platinum and diamond. Here if you observe carefully, all these gold, iron, sand, platinum and diamond. If we are arranging them from cheapest price to and highest price, or else largest highest price to cheapest price, we will arrange them based on their price. Based on their price. First I will arrange from highest price to lowest price. Highest price to lowest price. And I will also arrange them lowest price to highest price. Why? Because I don't know which one is given in the options. Highest price to lowest price. Among all these five, highest price is platinum. Highest price is platinum. After that, diamond is highest. After that, gold. Gold is highest. After that, iron. And the cheapest one is sand among the given 5 words. So, if you want to write in reverse approach, lowest price to highest price, this is sand. Next, iron, just reverse. After that, gold. After that, diamond. After that, platinum. Platinum is highest. Write down their respective numbers. Platinum is 4. Diamond is 5, gold is 1, iron is 2, sand is 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 and this one is 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4 and 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 option is not there. This is 4, 5, 1, 3, 2. This is wrong one. 4, 5. First highest price to lowest price, that is not given. So obviously we have to check it out for lowest price to highest price. That is 32154. 32154 that is given. Option B. Option B is the right answer. 32154. In this way you can solve these kind of problems. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much for watching.